America, we love our gadgets, from the latest smartphones to smart home devices. We are a nation obsessed with technology that promises to make our lives more convenient and enjoyable. We love things that make our lives easier, faster, and tastier. In our fast-paced world, who has the time to cook elaborate meals every day? That's where kitchen gadgets come in, transforming the way we prepare food. And what's tastier than crispy French fries without the guilt of deep frying? Imagine enjoying that satisfying crunch without the extra calories and unhealthy fats. It's a dream come true for many. Enter the air fryer, the appliance that took the nation by storm. With its promise of healthier cooking, it quickly became a must-have in kitchens across America. From busy parents to health-conscious individuals, everyone wanted one. Endorsed by celebrity chefs and Instagram influencers alike, air fryers promised us a healthier way to enjoy our favorite fried foods. Social media was flooded with recipes and tips, making it even more popular. But what if this culinary convenience came with a hidden cost, a cost that could compromise our privacy and safety? As we embrace these smart gadgets, are we unknowingly inviting potential risks into our homes? Hold on to your oven mitts, folks, because tonight we're diving deep into the unsettling world of air fryers that might be spying on you. Yes, you heard that right. These seemingly innocent kitchen helpers could be collecting data about your cooking habits, your preferences, and even your daily routines. How is this possible, you ask? Well, many modern air fryers come equipped with smart features that connect to your Wi-Fi, allowing you to control them remotely via an app. While this adds a layer of convenience, it also opens the door to potential privacy breaches. So, before you whip up your next batch of crispy fries, stay tuned as we uncover the hidden dangers lurking in your kitchen. Now, you might be thinking, John, my air fryer just cooks my food. It crisps up my fries, roasts my veggies, and even bakes my cookies. It's a kitchen marvel, but surely it's not capable of anything more than that, right? It doesn't have the brain power to spy on me. It's just a simple appliance after all. No different from my toaster or my microwave. And you'd be forgiven for thinking that. Most of us assume our kitchen gadgets are just that, gadgets. Tools to make our lives easier, not more complicated. But hold on to your hats because things are about to get spicy. The reality is far more unsettling than you might imagine. Which magazine, the UK's leading consumer watchdog, recently dropped a bombshell report that sent chills down the spines of air fryer enthusiasts everywhere. This wasn't just a minor footnote in their publication, it was a headline-grabbing expose. Their investigation revealed that several popular air fryer brands, some of which you probably have in your kitchens right now, are collecting vast amounts of user data. And this isn't just about how often you use your air fryer or what you cook in it. No, it goes much deeper, including, and this is where it gets really creepy, recordings of your conversations. Yes, you heard that right. Your air fryer might be eavesdropping on you, capturing snippets of your private life. Imagine that for a moment. You're in your kitchen, chatting with your family, discussing your day, and all the while your air fryer is quietly listening in. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. The Witch Report goes into detail about how these devices are equipped with microphones and other sensors that can pick up ambient sounds. They're not just cooking your food, they're also gathering data on your household. So what can you do about it? First, check the privacy settings on your smart appliances. Many of these devices come with options to limit data collection. Make sure you're familiar with them and adjust them to your comfort level. Secondly, stay informed. Keep an eye on consumer reports and watchdog publications like Which. They're invaluable resources for staying ahead of potential privacy invasions. And finally, consider whether you really need a smart appliance. Sometimes the old-fashioned, non-connected versions are just as good, if not better, for your peace of mind. So next time you fire up your air fryer, remember, it might be doing more than just cooking your food. It might be listening in too. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep your kitchen a safe space. Because in this digital age, even our most trusted appliances can turn into unexpected spies. We're not talking about some obscure brands you've never heard of. We're talking about big names like Aigostar, Xiaomi Mi Smart, and Cosori, specifically their CAFLI 401S model. These brands, according to Which, are demanding access to permissions that go way beyond what's necessary for an appliance that's supposed to just, air fry. We're talking access to your microphone, your location, even your Wi-Fi network. And where is all this data going? You guessed it, folks, straight to the loving embrace of data-hungry companies, some of which are based in China. But wait, there's more. As if the privacy concerns weren't enough to make you want to toss your air fryer out the window, it turns out these culinary wonders can also be downright dangerous. Reports of air fryers catching fire have been steadily increasing, with some incidents resulting in serious injuries and property damage. Faulty wiring, overheating, and user error have all been identified as potential culprits. Section 5. My air fryer almost burned down my house. Real people, real stories. In this segment, we delve into the harrowing experiences of individuals who faced near disasters in their own kitchens. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have lived through these frightening moments. We talk to real people who experienced the fiery wrath of malfunctioning air fryers firsthand. Their stories are both shocking and eye-opening. One woman recounted how her air fryer burst into flames while she was cooking chicken nuggets for her kids. She described the panic and fear as she scrambled to put out the fire and ensure her children's safety. Another victim described the terrifying moment her air fryer exploded, sending shards of hot plastic flying across her kitchen. She was left with a mess to clean up and a lingering sense of dread every time she entered her kitchen. These are not isolated incidents, folks. The number of similar stories is alarming, and it raises serious questions about the safety of these popular kitchen gadgets. These are real stories from real people whose lives were turned upside down by a kitchen appliance that's supposed to make their lives easier, not more dangerous. Families have been left shaken, and their trust in these devices has been severely compromised. One family shared how their evening was interrupted by the sudden explosion of their air fryer, causing chaos and fear. They had to act quickly to prevent a full-blown fire. In another case, firefighters had to be called to control the blaze that started from an air fryer malfunction. The family was left to deal with the aftermath, both emotionally and financially. These incidents highlight the importance of being cautious and well-informed about the appliances we bring into our homes. It's crucial to read the manuals, follow safety guidelines, and stay vigilant. Remember, safety should always come first. If you own an air fryer, make sure to inspect it regularly for any signs of damage or malfunction. And if you ever feel uncertain, don't hesitate to reach out to the manufacturer for guidance. By taking these precautions, we can enjoy the convenience of modern kitchen appliances without compromising our safety. Let's learn from these real stories and ensure our homes remain safe havens for our loved ones. Section 6. The price of convenience. Your data, your safety, their profits. So, what's the deal here? Are we really willing to sacrifice our privacy and safety for the sake of crispy fries and perfectly cooked chicken wings? Is the convenience of an air fryer worth the risk of having our conversations recorded and our homes turned into potential fire hazards? It seems like every day we're asked to surrender more of our personal information, more of our privacy, in exchange for the latest gadget or convenience. But at what point do we say enough is enough? Section 7. Fight back against air fryer espionage. Tips to protect your privacy. The good news is, there are steps you can take to protect yourself. First and foremost, be mindful of the permissions you grant to your smart appliances. Just because an app asks for access to your microphone or location data doesn't mean you have to say yes. You can also opt for air fryers that don't come with smart features, the ones that don't require you to connect them to the internet. Remember, folks, not everything needs to be smart. Sometimes simple is safer. Section 8. Stop, drop, and check your air fryer. Essential safety precautions. Now let's talk safety. Before you fire up your air fryer, give it a quick once-over. Check for any frayed cords, damaged plugs, or loose parts. Make sure your air fryer is plugged directly into a wall outlet, not an extension cord, and never leave it unattended while it's cooking. And for Pete's sake, never ever use your air fryer near water or flammable materials. Remember, folks, safety first, crispy food second. Section 9. Don't get burned twice. Demand transparency and accountability. We need to demand better from the companies that make these products. We deserve transparency about what data they're collecting and how they're using it. We deserve products that are safe, reliable, and don't turn our kitchens into potential fire hazards. Let's send a message that we won't be spied on and we won't be put at risk, all for the sake of a slightly crispier chicken nugget. Section 10. The future of cooking shouldn't involve surveillance and inferno. We're living in a world where even our kitchen appliances are becoming data mining, potentially dangerous devices. It's time to take back control of our privacy, our safety, and our kitchens. Let's strive for a future where cooking is about enjoying delicious food with family and friends, not worrying about being spied on or our homes going up in flames. Section 11. Stay informed, stay safe. Your air fryer shouldn't be a spy or a fire hazard. So the next time you reach for that air fryer, remember, it's not just about crispy food anymore. It's about making informed choices, protecting your privacy, and staying safe. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and don't let your air fryer become just another tool for corporate surveillance